he wears the number 20. He will take us to victory. And when he's running down the left wing, he'll cut inside and score for LFC. He's a lad from Portugal, better than Figo, don't you know? Oh, his name is Diogo. वो कहते हैं ना, याद तो उनको किया जाता है जिनको कभी भूल गए हों, पर डियोगो जोटा के केस में ऐसा कभी भी नहीं हो सकता. आई एम सो हैप्पी विद माई क्लब फॉर वॉट दे आर डूइंग, द स्टेप्स दैट दे आर टेकिंग टू ऑलवेज रिमेंबर डियोगो जोटा. फॉर द फैंस, इफ यू हैव सीन टूडेज मैच, you would see the love that every one of us have for Diogo Jota. Like इतनी बार उसका चांट चल रहा है. लास्ट में तो आई थिंक 20 टाइम्स जब मैच ख़त्म हुआ, 20 टाइम्स डियोगो जोटा का चांट गाया गया है. एंड हम घर में बैठ के डियोगो जोटा का चांट गा रहे हैं. एंड just like Arne Slot said, that we're always going to carry him with us, and I think this is incredible because we're never going to forget him. He's our forever number 20. He joined in 2020, won us the 20th title, wore the 20th jersey. I mean, it is so incredible what my club is doing, and I'm so happy that that is the club that I follow. Honestly, the fans, the atmosphere today, all the players, yeah, it would have been so difficult. I remember that 1 minute silence at the start of the match. Oh, that was so heartbreaking. I don't know how these players gather courage or, thoda sa bhi motivation to go ahead and play. Because as a fan, I'm sitting here in front of the television and just watching it, and I could not do it. It was so disheartening. It was so sad to see that 1 minute silence for Diogo Jota. And इतना ज़्यादा बुरा उन प्लेयर्स को भी लग रहा होगा, इतना ज़्यादा सैड उन प्लेयर्स को भी फील हो रहा होगा. बट आज ऐसा लगा कि हर एक प्लेयर जोटा के लिए खेल रहा था. 3-1 स्कोर लाइन, मतलब भगवान भी कैसा कैसा खेलता है अपने साथ. 3-1 वॉज जोटाज फेवरेट स्कोर लाइन, ऑलवेज वेन एवर जोटा यूज टू बी देयर, तो 3-1 स्कोर लाइन रहता था. और आज भी 3-1 पे ख़त्म हुआ. कहीं ना कहीं लगता है कि जोटा हमको देख रहा है ऊपर से. एंड अभी ही इतना इमोशन चल रहा है पूरा का पूरा क्लब में. बट फुटबॉल इज़ वन थिंग दैट हैज़ एटलीस्ट थोड़ा सा डिस्ट्रैक्टेड अस फ्रॉम दैट. डिस्ट्रैक्टेड एज इन, लाइक आई एम सेइंग कि जिस तरीके से मैच चला, फुटबॉल दोबारा से शुरू हुआ, इट जस्ट गिव्स यू सो मच हैप्पीनेस एंड जॉय टू सी द क्लब वेयर इट इज़ राइट नाउ. बिकॉज एट द स्टार्ट ऑफ द समर ट्रांसफर विंडो वी वर ऑल आउट, we were there to do some serious business, and now suddenly all that has changed, and it has all become about what we have as a family and what we are and who we are as a family. It's incredible to see that. So today there were going to be many new starters. Also, before I start doing that, I have to talk about Preston North End. What a beautiful gesture by their club. Like starting में ही उन्होंने फ्लावर एकदम लिवरपूल फैंस के सामने रखा उधर. It's so beautiful. Like seriously, thank you so much for doing that. It means a lot. Now going into the match, so we were very excited to see if Florian Wirtz is going to start or not, but he was not in the squad. I think हम लोगों को थोड़ा सब्र करना चाहिए. आएगा वो वाला टाइम भी आएगा. He is our player now, of course that is going to happen. But एकदम फर्स्ट हाफ में दूसरा टीम देखने को मिला, सेकंड हाफ में एकदम दूसरा टीम देखने को मिला. एंड 3 गोल्स मारे हैं हमने, और तीनों गोल्स में सेलिब्रेशन इट वॉज फॉर डियोगो जोटा. कॉनर ब्रैडली ने तो चलो कोई सेलिब्रेशन नहीं किया. ऑफ कोर्स इट्स अंडरस्टैंडेबल, द क्लब इज स्टिल गोइंग थ्रू समथिंग. एंड देन कम्स डार्विन नूनियज विद दैट हेयर कट, एंड he scores and he celebrates. He does Diogo Jota's celebrations, and then comes Gakpo. This just shows that how connected, how united we all are on this. And this is an incredible family that Liverpool has. Of course it's not easy to just get on with life like that, because it would have been so difficult for these players to come back, to be in that space, to be in that area where Diogo Jota used to be there. It might not have been easy at all, but still you see these players, they turned up and they are playing, and they're playing for him. They're playing to, remember him, to commemorate him. It's a very, very big thing. Now, we saw so many fresh starters, and I was seriously excited about Florian Wirtz, but that did not happen. But other things happened. We got to see Frimpong and Kerkez in second half. Like I said, पूरा का पूरा squad ही second half में change हो गया था, which is very good, because this is the time that we get to see like all the players. अभी तो एक्सपेरिमेंट करने का टाइम है, अभी तो देखने का टाइम है कि क्या होगा. बट फर्स्ट हाफ में एंगुमुआ ने मुझे क्या इम्प्रेस किया. Kyo bola, but Rio was so good. Like, you could see that raw talent in him. You could see that why we got him from Chelsea. You could see that ही हैज़ सो मच टैलेंट, बस थोड़ा सा और बेटर करना है एंड दिस गाय इज़ गोइंग टू बी अ तोप, लाइक दैट्स व्हाट ही इज़ गोइंग टू बी. So I'm just waiting for that to happen, but he showed so much promise and so happy with him. But did you see those Gravenberg turns? I was like, bhai nahi, just preserve him. He knows he does not need training. उसको बिठा के रखो, अभी जब रियल थ्रिल शुरू होगा, रियल मैचेस शुरू होंगे तब उसको खिलाएंगे, अभी के लिए उसको रेस्ट दो, बिकॉज दैट ग्रेवेनबर्ग टर्न वॉज सेक्सी. काफ़ी चांसेस बना रहे थे. कॉनर ब्रैडली ने फर्स्ट हाफ में गोल किया. अगेन लाइक आई से दैट एंगुमोआ काफ़ी ज़्यादा इन्वॉल्व था एंड ही जस्ट like he keeps going on with the ball and all the players are just standing there, even they don't know what they can expect, because Engumoa was seriously confident, man, loved his game. Then Chiesa was playing sort of as a striker and yes, he got a chance one on one with the keeper, but उसके बाद वो defend हो गया था, तो उसके बाद Salah was there, they tried to do something with it but वो हुआ नहीं. But that's what I'm telling you, the team looked promising today because इतने सारे changes थे first half second half दोनों में ही, and दोनों ही halves में भी looked really good. ऐसा नहीं था कि हाँ थोड़ा lethargic होके खेल रहे हैं या कुछ भी, but we seriously looked good and I'm really happy with the way our squad turned up today, because second half mate was Gakpo who got the goal, it was David Nunez who got the goal. I'm very happy for David Nunez because honestly we as fan base, we love him, we love David Nunez, but at the end of the day he has to show something for it. Like I would not want him to go, but he has to show something, he has to. Mamardashvili as goalkeeper देखने को मिला, और ऐसे करके आप देखोगे कि बहुत सारे चेंजेस थे आज, और इस सब के बीच में आई थिंक आवर टीम्स प्लेड वेल एंड वी डिड कंसीड अ गोल, बट दैट वाज अ गुड कॉर्नर दैट दे टुक एंड हेडर से हमने कंसीड किया, विच इज़ फाइन. तो इस तरीके से हमारा आज एक फ्रेंडली मैच गया है, बट मोर देन दैट आई थिंक it was about Diogo Jota and it should have been about him, because abhi bhi I will not say that players have moved on or anybody has moved on for that sake, because Diogo Jota, like I said in the starting of the video, we are always going to carry him with us, like Arne Slot said the same thing, and it is never going to happen that we forget him, right? So which is why like today I have chanted with the fans there, with them the Diogo Jota chant the entire time. You know, अभी मेरे जैसे मेरे बैक एंड पे भी मेरे दिमाग में भी बस वही चल रहा है. Oh, he wears the number 20, he will take us to victory, and when he's running down the left wing, he'll cut inside and score for LFC. He's a lad from Portugal, better than Figo, don't you know? Oh, his name is Diogo. मतलब मन करता है ना बारी बारी बस यही गाते रहे जस्ट जोटा को वहाँ पे बत्ता लगाने के लिए कि हम अभी भी हैं भाई, हम अभी भी तेरे को याद कर रहे हैं भाई, हम अभी भी तेरे को बहुत मिस कर रहे हैं यार. मतलब players come and go but not like this, just like Salah said, and I don't think anybody of them was even in the mind space to play, you know. But of course that is the nature of life. We have to keep going, we have to keep moving on, we have to get involved in different activities. Life cannot stand still, it cannot happen. So but still remembering the person that Diogo Jota was, just like Arne Slot said, that whoever he was, however he would be at this point of time, we should be like that. Like whatever we are feeling happy, we should be happy, we're feeling sad, we should be sad, we want to cry, we should cry. This is how it should be, because it's such a big thing that the club is going through, it's such a big thing that Diogo Jota's family is going through, this is such a big thing that players, the fans, they are going through. So it is fine, it is seriously fine, and I seriously hope that when we are playing the number 25th game of the season and I'm angry maybe and I'm not liking the way we are playing, I hope that I remember then that this is what the club has gone through, and I should not really put so much pressure or maybe should think or expect much from the players. I think I have to remember that when the game number any that comes, when I'm not very happy with the team or with the way we are performing. I hope that does not happen. I hope that I remember this. Anyhow, that is the video. Please don't forget to comment down below. What did you think about today's match? And what do you feel about our club, the steps that they have taken to, you know, always remember Diogo Jota? I think it's incredible, but I would love to know what you guys think about it. So don't forget to comment that down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, hit the bell icon so you never miss a video from me. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.